Hello, good morning.
Welcome to St. Joseph's Town Fair. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I can have a scooter, please.
Do you like a scooter?
Yes, I like.
It's green, black, blue.
I like.
Anything else?
Yes, Can I have football boots, please?
I like football boots. I have blue, white, or orange.
Yes, I like it. And I have basketball equipment.
Do you like basketball equipment?
Yes, I can have red and black. I like it. How much is it?
Do you want a bag?
Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Can I help you?
Yes, can I have a football ball, please?
Do you like football? It's yellow.
Yes,
green.
I like.
Anything else?
Yes, I like them. And the Barca's t-shirt.
Do you like Barca's t-shirt? It's yellow.
Have a bag, please.
Yes.
How much is it?
15 for the bag, 25 for the Manchester's t-shirt, and 25 for the Barca's t-shirt. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, good morning. Hello. Can I help you? Yes, please. Take one of them. What dog do you like? This dog is a smile, black and white, and these dogs are gray and big. Take one. Anything else? The food, hamster and fish, please. Anything else? No. Yeah, no. How much is it? $500, please. Goodbye.
Yes, I can the range of the pesevita. Yes, I can the range of the wheat.
Yes, here. This.
Yes.
This is that.
No. What much is it?
It's a beautiful day today. Yes, everything is calm. No problems at the moment. Help, police! Stop it!
Show me the identity card.
Show me an identity card. Let's go to the police station. Come with me.
Let's go to the good morning. Can I help you? Yes, please. Can I take this dress on, please? Yes. Oh, it's very nice. I like it. How much is it? 10 points. Dad, I buy it. Anything else? Yes. A silver jacket, please. Do you like this one? Yes, that's good. That's all. How much is it? 8 points for the dress. 10 points for the jacket. 20 points. Here you are. Hello, good morning. Can I help you?
Hello, it is my mom's birthday and I'd like to buy a jeweler for her.
These are the new ones. Bracelets, earrings, rings.
Oh, this is beautiful. I want this one.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, the ring.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It's 20 pounds for the ring and 30 for the bracelet. It's 15 pounds. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice weekend.
Goodbye, morning.
Hello, good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, can I have a blue pen, please?
Yes, I have got 3 types of blue pen. Which one would you like?
I like this one, please.
Here you are. Would you like anything else?
Yes, how much is this book, please?
It's 5 euros.
Can I have a ruler, please?
I haven't got any rulers. I sold the last one 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm sorry.
How much is it?
It's 7 euros, please.
Here you are, 7 euros. Bye-bye.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is it chocolate cake?
That's 7 euros, please.
There you are. Thank you.
Wouldn't you like anything else?
Yes, 2 muffins, please.
There you are.
Thank you. How much is it?
7 for the chocolate cake and 3 for the muffins. That's 10 euros, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Wouldn't you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hello, boys and girls. My name is Laila.
And my name is Jana. And this is a beneficence.
And my name is Shana. Hello, my name is Laura. Now we are going to sing a song for you. If you like it, when we finish, you can put our tip in this hat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes in your life, oh, we all have pain. We all have sorrow, but give me your eyes. We all have pain. I wish tomorrow, lean on me. When you're strong, and now we are friends. Have you to carry on? Freedom you love, now you're friends. I wish tomorrow. Thank you very much.
This morning is Help the Poor Children.
Do you like it?
Yes.